knows your name. Just a dot on the map out past Highway 12. It's where Daddy taught us about hard work, taking care of family and friends. Mama taught us all about heaven and hell. And remember, son, there's always someone who might need a little help. She said, listen up, boy. You've been blessed to be born in this land of milk and honey, where you can live a rich life even if you ain't got much money. Faith, friends, and family is what will bring you joy. So be a God-fearing, hard-working, big-hearted, small-town boy. Small-town boy. I've worked hard my whole life, and now I'm harvesting the crops from the seeds that my mom and daddy sowed. Yeah, I found me a good girl, got a couple of great kids, and a patch of dirt that we can call our own. Off from where I stand, it sure seems like I'm living a dream. Yes, I've been blessed to be born in this land of milk and honey, where I can live a rich life even though we ain't got much money. Faith, friends, and family is where I find my joy. Yeah, I'm a God-fearing, hard-working, big-hearted, small-town boy. Tell me there's no opportunities, 'cause you're living in a land where if you work hard, you can be all that you can be. Yes, we've been blessed to be born in this land of